what you can do is fault code reading. You can read them. As you can see, you have freeze frame data, which will show you the indication of the code. You have help with component replacement guides with exact component that you're looking for and system components of it. You can also view it on a diagram, and it's going to show you exactly where it locates and how to find the pinouts to connect to it. So let's zoom it in. In this case, CY1 is right here, connects to CA1, which is main engine management control unit. You will also have an overview of it as well. Components, pinouts, everything is in here. Going back to fault code troubleshooting, you are going to have an option to simply follow the procedure of clearing the fault code. Step 1, if it did not detect a failure, let's go to the next step. Step 2, you can check the stage of this if it did not connect. Step 3, check the continuity in wiring. You can enter values, and if that solves the problem, we can move to the next stage, which would be this. Yes, and clearing fault codes would be the next step. What I mean by DPs, you can also do monitoring of live sensors, live data selection of around 44 sensors, engine speed, voltage, speed, engine load, throttle. You can choose them and monitor them through the diagram exactly what's going on. Freeze it, resume it, or you can check it. Oops, you can check it in here. Now this is a demo, so it won't show everything precisely, but you get the picture of what can be done. With the system displays, you have fuel systems of 4 and 6 cylinders. In this case, it's 246. This is a 4. You have a diagram of the system as well. You will have system checks, cutout and compression. Cylinder cutout is one we get asked the most to show. Every test that you're going to do is going to give you a brief explanation of what's about to happen, so you don't follow it blindly. Next step is going to usually mean that you have some warning signs that you have to meet, and then you will manually select which cylinder you would like to turn on and off. Off, it's going to turn it off. Now, as you can see, it's jumping on and off because of my kit, but this is what you can expect to see. Once turned off, it's going to start the throttle. I can't keep it that much because, again, I'm a demo kit. And once it's finished, you will also have an overview of what happened.
If you have any questions, just get in touch with us here at Mechnician. You can reach us at 888-64-2240 or www.mechnician.com. Thank you very much.